Efficient production scheduling is at the heart of every thriving manufacturing business. But unforeseen circumstances like spikes in demand, late incoming materials, and machine issues can force schedules to change. How long does it take you to generate a new schedule? Siloed scheduling can lead to miscommunication and frustration across departments, causing even more inefficiencies. In today's fast-paced market, can you afford to take several days to schedule your production? Introducing Siemens Opcenter APS, the scheduling solution that decreases your process time from days to minutes. Opcenter APS is a range of advanced planning and scheduling software that uses complex algorithms to analyze and calculate production schedules within minutes, with constraints taken into account, allowing companies to maximize their production operation. By automating process scheduling with Opcenter APS, you can improve synchronization of processes and increase utilization and on-time delivery while reducing inventory levels and waste. Opcenter APS is part of the Accelerator portfolio, the comprehensive and integrated portfolio of software and services from Siemens Digital Industries Software. It provides cloud-connected capabilities, enabling easy and instant knowledge sharing among key stakeholders. Companies can ensure complex tasks are done accurately and rapidly, so they can reduce production time and increase adherence to projections. So don't wait. Visit us online at siemens.com/fastscheduling to learn more about how Opcenter APS can get the spreadsheet out of your production scheduling and get your manufacturing business on the right track.